My name is Kelly St. John. I am a pre-litigation associate attorney here at DePasquale Moore. I'm actually from a small town outside of Topeka, Kansas called Meriden, and I had attended Washburn University out in Topeka after high school. And once I graduated from there, I really wanted to go into a bigger city, so I moved to Kansas City and attended UMKC Law School there. I thought it was the perfect location for being farther away from home but not too far, and also being able to get my bar license in both Missouri and Kansas so I can help double the clients. I really enjoy going to NFL football games, also taking my two dogs, Stella and Loki, to the Bark Park. That's always fun. And I play sand volleyball as well, so I love going out there, playing tournaments, anything like that, usually being athletic, being outside, getting some fresh air. That's usually where you'll find me. I wanted to be an attorney because I wanted to be able to help people, but I also wanted to be able to help people in something they don't have a lot of knowledge in. So for example, with personal injury law and dealing with car accidents, I don't know how many times I have looked at people's insurance policies that they have and explained to them what they actually mean. And so I like to open people's horizons and open their eyes to things that are relevant to them that they don't always realize matter or are that important. I would say my favorite law movie, I think most people would say probably older movies. My Cousin Vinny, Legally Blonde, those are all a classic. My favorite is The Whole Truth with Keanu Reeves. A little bit of a newer movie within the past 10 years, but it's really good as far as the storyline, the twists, and just being accurate on the law and things that can actually occur in a courtroom. My most memorable case would be a time when a client had came to us and she did not have her own car insurance. The other driver at the time that hit her had admitted fault, told her she's so sorry, and after the fact, she had told her own insurance company that she was not at fault, that my client caused the incident, and the insurance company had denied liability, was not going to pay a dime to her. And so at that point, I had spoken with my client. Her story made more sense compared to what she was saying, what the property damage was. And I went ahead and requested the body cam footage from the officers where the other driver had in fact told the police officer that they were at fault. They apologized, and I was able to get that video to the adjuster and get money for my client for her medical bills and to get her car repaired. They should hire DePasquale Moore because we will fight for them, which sounds cliche in a sense, but we really will. I don't know how many times there have been instances where adjusters will not believe their story or will give them just really low offers that does not cover their medical bills, that does not address the pain and suffering they had to go through or the wages they lost because of it. And that's when we step in. We can put in the logical arguments and look at the medical records, see what's actually in them, and help make sure that the client gets to 100% health, ready to go, get their medical bills paid, and make sure that their lost wages are also accounted for in that.